This airdrop is so amazing. This DOP will airdrop about over $1,000. So before we start this video, don't forget to like. I'll put you the link in the comment section down below. Click the link and it will appear like this. So click on I am a new user and click on create wallet. Then set a wallet password, insert new password, new strong password, then confirm your password, then click on submit, then click on continue. It says congratulations blah blah, then click on continue, then input your first password, unlock your wallet. So input your password here, the first password when you create the wallet password. Input the password here, click on unlock, and then click on start, and then connect your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have, create one, then click on MetaMask, then click on next, connect, and then it's connecting. So it says allow the site to switch network. It will switch to Spolia network. Click on switch network, and then you have finished. Let's start doing the tests. Go to step 1. It says you have to follow their X account. Click on sign in with X, then authorize the app, and follow them on Twitter or X, whatever. Follow them, and then go back, and then you have completed the first step. Go to the second step. Second step is claim Spolia. Then click on claim. Then you have just claim it on your directly on your MetaMask wallet. You can check it. As you see here, you have claimed Spolia. Then go to third step, claim testnet DOP token. So copy the address, the token address. Then go back to your MetaMask wallet. Then import token. Then paste it here. Then directly automatically it will appear like this. Then click on next. Click on import. Then you have just imported DOP. Then click on claim. It says here you have to pay some gas fees, but don't worry, the gas fee, they will give you free gas fees there. Then click on confirm. You have just completed the third step. Click on MetaMask if you want to check it. They give you 1000 DOP, free 1000 DOP, just for making a test on this DOP airdrop. So go to fourth step, claim testnet assets, then copy this address, USDT token address, go back to your MetaMask wallet, then click on import tokens, paste it here, then click on next, then click import. Now you have 0 USDT. Click on claim, click confirm. You have just claim it. The fifth step, it says increase assets, so click on get started, and then select token. In the select Tommy token. Yeah, Tommy token. Scroll down, select Tommy token, and then on the amount input 100. Then click on encrypt. Then click confirm. Encryption is in progress. Just wait. Maybe it takes some time. So correct this into 100, and then click on next, click approve, click confirm, just wait, and then successfully encrypted, click on close to do the next step. With step 6, send assets, so you have to copy this and click on get started, and then on the DOP account click there and paste it, and then select the encrypted token, select Tommy token, and then on the amount input 100, and then click on send, then click on confirm, then sending in progress. You have to wait, you have to be patient, it may take a few seconds, so make it 100, and then click next, click approve, then confirm, and then successfully transferred, so click on close, click OK, go to the 7th step, decrypt assets, so click on get started, and then select encrypted token, select Tommy token, and input 100, and input your first wallet password when you create this DOP wallet, of course. So, and click on decrypt, click on approve, confirm, decryption in progress, click confirm, successfully decrypted. By the way, you have to be patient, I have paused the time it take, or this video will be longer. So if you have finished, click on connect again and connect your MetaMask wallet again, and you're almost there. Click on done, and your progress is 87% completed. So to finish the last step, you have to scroll down and you have to invite 3% at least, and then your progress be 100% completed. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, don't forget to share this video because it's useful airdrop. Don't miss it. Don't miss this airdrop. The link, you'll find the link on the description down below.